Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Pulled up to the garage in a car that's tired. Check engine lights been prominently wired. Mate said scrap it, I said you're a liar. 3D print the whole thing and the situation's dire. Got a printer in the spare room making funny noises. Sounds like R2D2 arguing with the boys. Mum walked in like, what's that smell? I said innovation. She said it looks like it melted the pec stapling. Print to the cup holder, print to the trim, print to the spoiler that's ridiculously thin. Hit 60 on the bypass, started to spin. Now it looks like a Pringle stuck into the rim. I'm an engineer, well sort of. Watch free YouTube videos, damn I'm important. Downloaded the file, thought I was scorching. 2017 fairly before was working. Spend 20 quid on filament rolls. Say 2 quid fixing up the motor controls. Fine engineer speaking, nobody knows. But the printer goes burst, so I got achieving my goals. Mate's got a BMW fresh from the dealer. Mine set together by a Reddit fan heater. He laughed on my dashboard, called it a beta. Till I printed his missing badge and charging my fiver. Layer by layer, living my dream. Got car parts cooking while I gaming on Steam. If it's wheel arch survives till next week, I'm calling myself a not a phenomenal design team. Oi, don't ask the turf. Oi, don't ask the specs. Oi, if it survived, one runabout, I call that success. Got a boot, got a film in the car full of stress. And a pen, I'm working harder than the MO test. Out of print, I'm working harder than the MO test. Ammo test. Right up in the ammo test. Right up in the ammo test. I'd been working harder than the ammo test. I'd have been the ammo test.